Hi everyone. Today this is a quick tutorial in which I will show you how you can easily install the serial command of lammps inside Windows. So first of all, you have to go to the lammps official website, and then we have to go to the download section. In download section, just go to the free built window executables. Click here. Going down here depends on your system. I have 64-bit window. I'll select, and then here you can select from different releases, versions of lammps. So this one is the latest one. It has two exe file. One is the MPI, one is the serial one. So I will install the serial one. For MPI you have to install separately the MPI module, but for MPI I will prefer you to use the Ubuntu, because you can compile by yourself. You can change the code over there. So for that you can watch my previous video. And for serial, you just have to click on this, download this exe file, and after it gets down, so for the installation you have just to run this as an administrator, agree, and select the location where you want to save your installation is completed. After the installation is completed, we just have to go to the directory where we have installed the code, and I install it here. Okay, and by checking we have to go to the example file. I'll check this, the crack one. I also tried this in the previous video. So you just have to write cmd, and now the lamp has changed the executable. So this is just lmp, and the file you want to run, write down I want to run this file -in.this. This is the input file, and just click enter, and it will run the file and will make the log file in that directory. So you can then check out, these are all those output values. You can change everything, all these things from the input script. I will make other videos on that next time. So that's all for that video. That's how you can easily install the lammps serial mode. If you are a beginner, or you just wanna learn the lammps, you are in the beginner stage, so the serial mode is a good option for you. And for more advanced level, or if you wanna compile your own code, so it would be better to use the compiled version. For that you can use Ubuntu, or you can also use the Windows subsystem for Ubuntu inside Windows. I have also made a video over that, so please go there and check that video if you want to compile your own code, or if you are okay with the serial one, so you can easily install it in this way and you can run your code and get your results. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And also, if you people have any questions, or if you have any suggestions for further video, please let me know in the comment sections. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.